We are SoftLogic Life, the only life insurer in Sri Lanka to have clocked the fastest and most consistent growth over the last 10 years. Starting from the bottom of the market 20 years ago, we are now the third largest life insurer, providing protection for 1.5 million Sri Lankan lives. We are backed by one of the largest local conglomerates, the SoftLogic Group, led by the iconic business magnate Mr. Ashok Patirage. The group's extensive, diverse business portfolio not only provides us with great opportunities, but gives us amazing financial strength. International investors have chosen to invest in SoftLogic Life after careful analysis of the Sri Lankan life insurance market, recognizing us as the most attractive company with the best growth prospects. Leapfrog, which is a global insurance fund and the largest purpose-driven investor, FinFund and Norfund, leading impact investors funded by the governments of Finland and Norway, together makes us stronger with their financial investments as well as their global expertise in life insurance best practices. We're also insured with the world's top-notch and highest-rated multinational reinsurers, which allows us to manage our risk extremely effectively. Munich Re, a world's leading German reinsurer who has 140 years of experience. Toare, a member of the Global Insurance Forum based in USA. AXA, a largely spread French multinational insurance firm. And RGA, which is a Fortune 500 company, continue to strengthen our financial resilience. We adopt a strong capital management framework which substantially exceeds regulatory capital available within the company, that in turn enables us to absorb financial risk better. This is clearly showcased in our capital adequacy ratio, which is an indicator of a company's financial ability to absorb financial risk and remain stable. SoftLogic Life maintains a capital adequacy ratio of over 300%, almost 3 times the ratio that is mandated by the regulator, ensuring ample capital is available for the sustainable long-term growth of our company. Our investment strategy is critically evaluated, enabling us to create premium value for our stakeholders, with the majority of our investments being made in government bonds and high-quality investments. We comply with the investment guidelines issued by the Insurance Regulatory Commission of Sri Lanka, and these investments are also overlooked by a board investment committee consisting of highly experienced members with long-standing exposure to financial markets and how they operate. As a respected and trusted financial services entity, we believe in absolute transparency and impeccable corporate governance. That is why we are the only insurer to be recognized as one of the most transparent listed entities in Sri Lanka by the South Asian Federation of Accountants. Only insurer to obtain quarterly assurance on financial disclosures from independent auditors such as KPMG Sri Lanka. Only insurer to obtain quarterly certification for policyholder benefits from appointed actuary Messrs. Willis Towers Watson. The only insurer to have been recognized at a South Asian regional level for our well-established corporate governance framework. We believe in maintaining the best of standards on all fronts for our business. That is why we have been crowned the Gold Service Brand of the Year for the second time at the Slim Brand Excellence Awards. That is why we remain the only Sri Lankan company to be listed in Forbes 200 Best Companies under $1 billion for rest of Asia. And that is why 1 out of every 3 new life insurance policies sold in the industry is ours. Our customers have been trusting us year on year, making us grow at more than double the rate of the rest of the industry. That is why we are the only life insurer in Sri Lanka to have the fastest and most consistent growth over the past decade. We are SoftLogic Life.